Hi, I'm Laura. I'm a school gardens coordinator at GrowNYC. For the How To Fest, I'm going to show you how to build a tiny greenhouse. You can use materials you already have around the house, like toilet paper roll, a clamshell, soil, and seeds. A greenhouse is any enclosed space that is lit and heated by the sun. Solar radiation passes through transparent material, which means material you can see through, and that solar radiation heats up the ground and the plants inside the greenhouse. Greenhouses are used in many shapes and forms all over the world and throughout much of history, even as far back as ancient Rome. Not a lot of people in New York City have space for a full-sized greenhouse, but today I'll show you how to make a teeny one that you can fit on your windowsill. A trick to help your seeds germinate faster is to leave them in a wet paper towel for a day or two. That'll soften the outside of the seed husk so that it will sprout sooner. To build your own tiny greenhouse, you're going to need toilet paper rolls, a pair of scissors, a recycled clamshell container, some potting soil, and seeds. To start off, make 4 small cuts in your toilet paper tube. Then, fold them over like you would a cardboard box. This will make your base. Moisten your soil a little bit, and then fill up the toilet paper tube pretty much to the top. Put your clamshell on a drip tray. Now you can plant your seeds, about 3 per roll, and cover them up with a little soil and water one more time. Then you can put them on the windowsill and close it up. All of the heat and light should get trapped inside this container and make your sprouts come around faster. Once they start to sprout, you're going to need to prop them open or just leave it open so that they can grow up. You can build a tiny greenhouse with a lot of different materials, so get creative and get growing. Herbs are a great option if you want to grow indoors on a windowsill. Here are some of my favorites: cilantro, parsley, oregano, thyme, mint, basil, and rosemary. Once your plants outgrow your tiny greenhouse, you'll have to transplant them to a bigger pot. Then you can start a new batch in your own greenhouse and have fresh, homegrown herbs all year round. GrowNYC School Gardens works with over 800 school gardens in New York City public schools. If you are a New York City public school and you want help starting a garden or maintaining it, you can visit our website at grownyc.org and send us an email or give us a call.